Hello guys, it's Ellie, welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. Today we will start learning the Russian language for daily conversations. Conversations you would encounter anywhere, at the restaurant, hotel, at the airport, or just meeting someone in the street. I know that many of you would like to study in Russia, travel, or even move to Russia, and this series of videos will help you to learn the phrases for basic conversations that will allow you to survive in Russia. We will begin with common phrases for greetings and goodbyes in Russian. In Russia we say "здравствуй" or "здравствуйте". Both mean hello and both are formal, but "здравствуйте" is more formal than "здравствуй". So you can say "здравствуй, Maria" or "здравствуйте, Maria Petrovna", because in formal conversations or when you are talking to someone who is older than you, we use a name and a patronymic, which is father's name. And an informal way to say hi in Russian is "привет", much less complicated than "здравствуйте". I know that for many foreigners it's difficult to say so many consonants in a row, but that's the example: "здравствуйте" and "привет". For greeting a person, you can also say "добрый день", which is good day in Russian, but you can only say that in the afternoon. In the morning from 6 a.m. till 11 a.m. you say "доброе утро", which is good morning. "Доброе утро, профессор", good morning, professor, or "доброе утро, страна". Some people say that on their Instagram stories and it means good morning to the whole country. From 11 a.m. till 6 p.m. you say "добрый день", good day. "Добрый день, Emma", good day, Emma. From 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. we say "добрый вечер", good evening. And after that, "доброй ночи", good night, or "спокойной ночи". The literal translation is "have a calm night" when you want to wish a good night to someone. "Спокойной ночи, мам", good night, mom. Как дела? We say this to ask how are you in Russian. Note that in the US this question is commonly used in all kinds of situations with everyone and even people who you just met, but in Russia we only use this question with people who you know well, or if you're really interested in the answer. It's not a habit in Russia to use this question with people who you don't know. In fact, if you ask this to strangers, they would be really confused why you ask "how are you?" So only use it with people who you know. And to ask it in informal way, you say "как дела?" or "как твои дела?" or "как ты?" All this mean "how are you?" And for formal situations, you say "как ваши дела?" or "как вы?" Also means "how are you?" but for formal situations. Because in Russia, for pronoun you, we have two forms: informal ты and formal вы. You can also ask "как поживаешь?", which is "how's life?" or "как поживаете?", the same question but for formal situations. And in order to answer, you can say "я нормально", which means "I'm okay", a very common answer in Russia. By the way, many Russians confuse the Russian word "нормально" and "normal" in English, and in English they answer "I'm normal", not realizing that you don't do that in the English environment, but in Russia we say "я нормально". If you want to say that everything's good, you say "всё хорошо", everything's good, or just "хорошо" if you say "I'm good". And if you are doing great, you can answer "замечательно" or "прекрасно", I'm great. Now let's figure out how to say goodbye in Russian. The most common phrases for goodbye are "пока" and "до свидания". "Пока" is used in informal situations. "Пока, Anya", goodbye, Anne. And "до свидания" is used in formal situations. "До свидания, профессор", goodbye, professor. In both formal and informal situations, you can also say "до завтра", meaning "see you tomorrow", or "до скорой встречи", see you soon. And for informal situations, you can also say "до скорого", meaning see you later, but you can only use that in informal situations. До скорого. Now let's try to make two small talks for both informal and formal conversations. A formal conversation might sound like this. Здравствуйте, Анна. Как вы? Элина, добрый день. Я хорошо. Как ваши дела? Прекрасно. Хорошо. Увидимся завтра. До завтра. And a small talk in informal conversation might sound something like this. Привет, Элина. Как дела? Привет, Аня. Хорошо. Ты как? Замечательно. Хорошо. Увидимся завтра. Пока. So, these were two examples of small talks and greetings in Russian. Guys, in the comments write which conversation was easier for you to understand, the formal or informal one, and also write why you've decided to learn Russian. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next videos in the series of learning the Russian language.